วัสดีค่ะ
Alright viewers, let's get straight into it. Walking down the main Sukhumvit, mid-January, Saturday night. Hopefully it's going off. At the front of Terminal 21. Welcome back to all the subscribers. Thanks for tuning in again. I appreciate it. Every view helps. Every comment helps. Every thumbs up helps. Welcome to everyone that is new to the channel. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. All I do is street vlogs all around Bangkok, all around Thailand, Pattaya, Phuket, Patong, Hua Hin, all over the place. Just sit back and enjoy. Outside Terminal 21 again. Bit of a traffic jam on the footpath, that is. Should be able to get through soon, bear with me. There we go. Bit of a clear way now. Got all the cars there in Terminal 21, man. Everywhere. One of these guys. The boys out in the town getting ready to party. Yep, the boys are out. Looks like they've already been on the piss quite a bit. A few of them have had a few too many tonight, maybe. Already. It's only 10 o'clock. It's hard to get a clear run tonight, I tell you what, there's people out everywhere on the streets. are people everywhere, man. Everywhere. My God, this is like the freeway, except the cars aren't moving. Wow. Packed. A lot of people out the front here. Run chits. Crazy. Wow. That is busy. Must be a good club. Now we're heading out towards the Sofitel. It's always a busy area too, if you know what I mean. We'll go over towards Sukhumvit 11, I think. Maybe a bit further on. We'll see how we go. It's usually always busy down there too. I'll see if I can actually get through or not. It just depends. Man. Right, here's a break.
If you're around.
So I can't get in front of this dude. Come on, here we go. There we go. Got in front of him. But you know what? It is hot tonight. Hot. Obviously, not tourist information, or is the coppers aren't there tonight? Usually they are. Saturday night you think they're flat out. Just going past the Hyatt Regency. I went up to the rooftop bar there tonight. I think we have 6 drinks between the 3 of us, so 2 each. That's it, nothing else. One was a beer, 2 Jack and Cokes, and 2 wines. 247 Aussie dollars. Bargain, eh? Great view though, it was worth the view. But last time you'll see me doing that, that's for sure. I think if you go to that rooftop bar too, where The Hangover was made, that famous movie, and the famous rooftop bar there, that's insane. That is so good. But each drink, no shit, cost me $31. It was outrageous. It was free to get in, but bloody hell. And if you do go, you got to wear pants. Make sure. No pants, no entry. You can hire them from the bottom there. Excuse me. Or you can actually, you can go buy a pair too. Like only costs a couple of bucks, but still it's just a pain in the ass. Wearing long pants in Thailand, that's for sure. All right, we're at Sukhumvit 11. We'll just go past here a little bit. See if there's anything down here. outside the Nana BTS. Some nice bags there if you want. I'm sure they're all original. Anything you want, you can get on Sukhumvit Road. Anything you want. Traffic jam again. Bit up trying to get through here. Alright guys, I think we'll leave it here. Just outside the new part down here. But anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. See you all next time. Thanks for watching.